welcome to Inspire DIY. मेरा नाम है पद्मजा. In today's video, I am going to share with you a wooden rack which has been partially DIY. इसको मैंने DIY किया है just in rupees 1500. Let me just give you a glimpse of this rack, the way it looks. Apart from this, I am going to share with you 3 different ways I like to style this rack. Before that, I'll quickly give you a brief कैसे मैंने इसको achieve किया है just in rupees 1500. It has been partially DIY by me. At very first, I made a sketch of a rack like how I wanted it to be, and I contacted a local carpenter. जनरली कार्पेंटर्स के साइट्स पे काम चलते होते हैं एंड मोस्टली दे हैव दीज स्क्रैप वुड विच इज अ लेफ्ट ओवर वुड एंड ऑब्वियसली इट इज अ गुड क्वालिटी वुड. तो मैंने उनको ये स्केच बताया एंड आई टोल्ड हिम दिस इज हाउ आई वांटेड टू बी एंड ही कैन यूज द स्क्रैप वुड इफ ही हैव एंड ही अग्रीड टू इट. So just in rupees 1000 उन्होंने मुझको ये रैक रेडी करके दिया. It was absolutely a raw wooden rack and later on when it came to me this is how it looked. So here I've spent 500 rupees more on the primer and the paint. The legs you see, ये मेरे पास पहले से थे, उनको मैंने दे दिया था इसमें अटैच करने के लिए. Now next what I did is इसको मैंने अच्छे से सैंड पेपर से सैंड कर लिया. जो इसका रफ एजेस थे उसको मैंने स्मूथ कर लिए and I just gave it a coat of primer, a single coat of primer. And when the coat of primer was completely dry, probably after 24 hours, what I did is I applied white Asian paint enamel color. Though I wanted to apply a matte white color, but by mistake I bought glossy white color. But after applying it was looking good, it was not at all looking bad. Now when it was completely dry, मैंने क्या किया कि इसके legs जो हैं, इसके पैर को मैंने sand paper से sand करके एक rustic look दिया है. And I think it looks amazing. It kind of gives a vintage look to the whole rack. As you see, this rack has total 4 compartments. What I did is जो बॉटम वाला कंपार्टमेंट है उसके लिए मैंने एक कार्डबोर्ड का बॉक्स क्रिएट किया which looks like a drawer. I use this compartment for organizing things and it also gives a very beautiful look to the whole rack. Now coming to the styling part, the very first way I like to style this rack is the Indian style to keep it very colorful. Right on the top you see a money plant. It is in a jute planter. Next to it there is another planter. Both these planters are being DIY. The link is in the description if you want to check the video. Planter के आगे मैंने एक छोटे राधा कृष्ण की idol रखी है which is made up of brass. Coming to the first track, मैंने यहाँ पे रखा है एक राधा कृष्ण की फ्रेम और राइट साइड में मैंने रखा है ये ओखली. दिस इज ऑल्सो बीन DIY. इसके अंदर मैंने एक ग्लास बॉटल रख के आई हैव सेट सम आर्टिफिशियल फ्लावर्स इनटू इट. Coming down to the second rack, I've placed a wooden carved box. It's a chest. Next to it, I've placed some books. And above the chest, I have placed some, little knickknacks, decoratives. Down in the third rack, I have placed this peacock planter along with a nice yellow color planter. This peacock planter is also a DIY. So whatever DIY products I am going to use in this decor, I am going to link the videos in the description. You can have a look. And next to the rack, just to enhance the look of the rack, I always like to place some planters, and that's how our Indian setup looks. The second way I like to style this rack is I use all neutral colors, natural elements, and this has to be my favorite style. So right on the top I have placed a set of tea light holder. This is again a DIY. Ahead it there is a Buddha planter. In the first rack I've placed a wooden frame mirror. Again this is a DIY mirror. And right ahead the mirror there is these small decoratives. Into the second rack I have set some books, some in standing and some in sleeping order. Above the book I have placed a small planter, और इसमें मैंने रखा है ये pine, I think it is called pine fruit. In the third rack there is a photo frame, and there are these two bottles which are being DIY. I think books, photo frame and planters are something you just cannot go wrong with when it comes to styling your rack, your shelves. And next to the rack again I have placed a planter along with the wooden vase. And the third way I like to style this rack is to keep it minimal and use statement pieces, and there is one solid color I have used in this whole setup, that is teal. Like on the top I have placed a planter with money plant. Ahead the planter I have placed this decor piece which is a whale fish tail, and next to it I have kept this black and white basket which I use it as an organizer. This is again a DIY. Coming down I have set up only one elephant face decor piece in the first rack. Down in the second rack you see very cute giraffe planter, and top of it there is this artificial plant, and next to it is this teal color vase. और नीचे third shelf में again there is a planter and there are some books. And right below the rack I have placed this rug. Whenever I want to create a busy setup next to this rack, I always use rug because I think it makes the space look busy, beautiful, functional. At the same time it is easy to clean the surrounding. And yeah, these are my 3 favorite ways to style this rack. I hope you enjoy the video. And if you did, please subscribe to our channel and give the video a big thumbs up. I'll see you again very soon. Bye.